Hey everyone, Brent here from Goalorious, where we set goals, hit goals, and make new ones. Today we're talking about Market, Rocket Market. And I'm going to teach you guys everything you need to know before you buy. Before we get started, as a reminder, this isn't financial advice, this is an investing strategy. I'm not affiliated with Rocket Market at all. I just recently discovered this project and want to talk about it with you guys today. So what is Rocket Market? So it is the centralized community-driven NFT marketplace. So if you're not familiar with NFTs, it is digital assets, the hot new thing, and this is the marketplace. I think there's other marketplaces out there. I think OpenSea is probably the biggest marketplace right now. And we're gonna go review Rocket today and see what's kind of different about it and unique to this, centered around distribution of unique arts in the form of NFTs. And again, I think when you think about these exchanges and marketplaces that revolve around NFTs, it's really about the partnerships. Someone has a piece of art, where are they planning to sell it? And regardless of what that marketplace is, whether it's OpenSea, something else, Rocket, you just care about acquiring that piece of art, and so you'll go to wherever it takes to get it. So I think those partnerships are just very important. So let's learn about Rocket today. So featured artists. Again, I am not familiar with these artists, but if you're familiar with these artists, then that's awesome, and this is probably, very exciting for you. But the idea is that, okay, once you build a marketplace, you got to get people to put their stuff there, and then once you have people to put stuff there, then you'll get more and more people interested in what you're doing. So I think it's interesting. G2, again, not familiar, but the artwork looks really cool. And yeah, like I said, that's the feature artist. Maybe they're planning to feature other artists in the future, but that's the one they're featuring right now. So what is this about? Again, very new project. I think this project has only been out for maybe a week or so. And yeah, and collectors, NFT artists, marketers, and all the amazing people join the community through Telegram. The one thing I found actually interesting about this was Yahoo Finance actually did. Sorry, let me move this for a second. Yahoo Finance actually did a whole entire article about the Rocket Market that was literally published Friday, so like 2 days ago. An NFT marketplace for creators and collectors on the Binance Smart Chain with affordability and fast transactions. I think that's kind of like one of these things is if you're comparing the different exchanges, it's like, okay, how fast can I acquire what I'm trying to get? And I think that's gonna be really important for in terms of scale and usability going forward. I think obviously if you are an artist that has a lot of artwork and is planning to sell a lot on an ongoing basis, obviously the speed and then the affordability for the users is super important. So the platform has a unique artist incubator program built to give maximum exposure to artists. Again, I think it's smart rather than trying to go for the most popular artists who probably could sell the NFTs on their own market, maybe through their own partnerships. Maybe they could create their own funnel to get that NFT or work direct partnerships with something like Christie's, like what Beeple did. Obviously, no one is that high, but artists who want to make money in the NFT space. And if I was an artist, I am not an artist, unfortunately. And they're trying to find ways to, okay, I need to make money off NFTs. NFTs is where I actually make a living. People actually find value in this. Who should I partner with? Where should I put my thing? Where should I put my art into that makes the most sense for me and can actually feature me and help me grow and get eyes on what I'm trying to sell? So I think having Incubator makes a lot of sense. And I think that's probably why they got featured on Yahoo Finance, is there's something unique there. Rocket aims to become one-stop destination for artists and NFT collectors. To further explore the utility of NFTs, Rocket has built the NFT Loans mechanism where the NFTs are represented as BP20 tokens. Again, I'm not going to read all this. You could read this yourself, but I think this is probably the key, most interesting part about the Artist Incubator. Artist Incubator will act as a support structure for digital creators by connecting with collectors. Unique way launchpad for creators, helping them share, promote, and distribute their work on a platform powered. Again, I think that makes a lot of sense where, hey, if you are an up-and-coming artist, you don't know what to do, you don't have the money or maybe even the visibility or notoriety, maybe you have X number of Instagram followers, maybe you've sold X amount through your website, but you really need to find something that's going to help bridge the gap for helping you to grow. Obviously, something like Instagram help a lot of social media influencers grow and build their brand. Rocket hopes to be that kind of. I'm not saying that this is going to be it. Please do your own research before you invest in this project. Plus, that they hope that people have their portfolios there, sell their art, and then in turn, they're going to use their their connection, their community to help lead them to the Rowket platform. So I think it makes a lot of sense. To get the benefit of incubation, the artists need to register the website. Only once the artists are accepted, their work will be showcased on the platform. They're looking to go to the mainstream, give artists a better way to earn and grow. Again, just what I said. I think they're trying to help them grow, showcase on the platform. They got to apply. So obviously that's good that Rowket is doing. They're not going to let everyone just post their everything to the platform. They want to curate and only have, maybe they have a specific taste. Maybe they want to make sure that it's, the art that people are making are safe and good. And yeah, I think it makes sense. So obviously they have lending NFTs in the Rowket market. But yeah, definitely interesting. Again, very new. NFT marketplace literally launched on the 30th, which was literally 2 days ago, and there's been getting a lot of good press. Like I said, you getting on Yahoo Finance, and there's a couple other places they've been talked about, and I do think it's really interesting and something to keep an eye on. Again, when we talk about new crypto projects, we want to talk about utility. Are they actually going to be using this for this? What is their token for? And you could buy the token called KET, KET is the actual token name. It's actually short for Rowket. Obviously, very small in price at the moment. I don't know how this is not gonna show the exact price. 4,000 hold addresses, wallet holders. Total supply is, what is this? 46 million. So it's not too much. So I think it's very interesting. I think, like I said, they're using this to power their NFT marketplace. So, obviously we have to, if you're investing in a token, you have to see how their marketplace does. And obviously with it just being growing, I don't even know how much artists there is. I can't even go to a place right now that actually shows me all the artists, to be honest. Like I couldn't find, maybe it's not even up yet where I could even view how to buy this. But I've been I promise you guys, I've been trying to click around looking for it. But if you know in the comments where I could actually look at the marketplace and start getting something, I guess it's only their teaser. I guess they're still onboarding people to list their stuff in the marketplace, so that you're not able to freely go there right now. But again, people have been investing in their tokens. If you believe in this project, again, Jit Hugh, and I apologize if I'm saying this name wrong, has some interesting artworks, and if this is something that's interesting to you, then I'm sure that artist is bringing their traffic and bringing their community to the Rowket market. And I think with just once you have, this is one artist, but once you have like 100, 1,000 artists all bringing their followers to this marketplace, I think that's really when it starts to grow. But yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Let me know in the comments if you think this is an interesting project. Let me know if you like NFTs. Let me know if there's other interesting projects out there. Let me know if you could find a link to the marketplace because I couldn't find it. But thanks everyone for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.